QSI, stock analysis, and price predictions. Is it a buy is a question, so watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to mention with Quantum SI is that 7.4% up is where we're at, and I do see some beautiful shifts, in which case I'm obviously now very open to take things higher. Now, context, I have spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything, and now generally speaking with QSI, because I've seen the first break, things are starting to churn, you know, like not churn, but like churn to the better. Higher time frame, obviously looking for longs, but I'm actually just going to move it to the side because that's like way out of the reach right now. What's for right now is this beautiful demand zone, and nothing will stop me from potentially trying out this bullish side, just trying out the bullish waters if the price gives me a proper shift here. If it does, cool. If it does not, obviously then I'm not going to buy, but I'm just letting you know, I must see my rules met in order for me to continue. And if you do want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.